Welcome back to my channel. As you all requested me to make a study motivation video, I'm here with one. Now I know it can be hard to concentrate and get yourself to study during this lockdown in which you're stuck at home. You're being just lethargic and watching Netflix all day. Trust me, I'm going through the same thing. So I made this motivation guide in which by following 8 steps you'll simply be a better learner and you'll also get motivated to study by watching this video. So I really hope you all like it. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification. Also don't forget to follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and also my Twitter, it's at Samriddhi07, and I follow you back if you follow me there. So that's all, let's just get started. The first step is to try and understand your studying style better. Now there are 4 types of studying style. The first one is learning by writing. This is the type of style in which a person learns by writing down the things. Like suppose you want to learn something, first you read it and then you write it down. That way you can help in memorizing better and it also helps in better retention. It works for some people, it does work a little bit for me as well, but you can see if it is your style. The second way of learning is learning by reading. This one does not work for many people, but it does work for some people. All you have to do is to read out the text from the textbook. You can just simply learn by reading. So if that's your style, then go for it. The third one is visual learning. This is my personal favorite and this is how I personally learn. It is learning by watching. Now it can be in real life or it can be by watching some videos. I am watching this video on Khan Academy and I am so thankful to Khan Academy for providing free education to everyone. They're just amazing, I love them. I'm getting off the topic here, but yeah, visual learning is a great opportunity and if your brain sees things, it just learns better. I don't know, my brain works that way at least. So you can try that out for yourself and see if it is your style. Now the fourth type of learning is auditory learning. Now this is a way of learning by hearing things. It can be again in real life or in form of podcasts or videos or anything like that. Here I am listening to Premier Skills. Now these are football skills, kind of like football language. So that's what I'm listening to right here, and this one was amazing and it also helped me learn better, even though I already knew the things, but still. You can simply try this method. It works really well for some people. The second step is to resist the feelings. Now I'm not telling you guys to not feel anything, but for that little time when you're studying, try and avoid feelings, because I know how hard it can be when you're overwhelmed by feelings and when you're like not able to resist it. How you can resist it is by writing yourself a letter and then just burning the letter if you want to. It's not compulsory, but you can do that if you want to. Now writing down your feeling really helps in feeling better. That's what diaries were for in the previous years. I guess no one even writes diaries these days. Another thing which you can do is to make a video of yourself expressing how you feel. This is what I personally do. I make a video and express my feelings over there, and after that I delete it and my feelings go away. Like, not all the feelings, but like the bad feelings. And when I'm feeling a little bit overwhelmed, that's when I do that. It works really well, so I highly recommend you guys to try that out. The third step is to believe in yourself. Now, it can be hard for some people to believe in themselves. Personally, it's not very hard for me because I don't know. I guess it just comes naturally, but you can really work on that. I did work on it, and how you can do it is to build confidence and saying to yourself every day that you are strong and you can do it yourself. The fourth step is to question yourself, why are you doing something? Like, why? Now, suppose you want to get good grades, but why do you want to get good grades? Now, when you question yourself why, the answer comes in right to your mind, and that's what motivates you. Like, getting good grades will help me in getting a better college, which will help me in getting a better future. That's what it is. Work towards the end goal, and that's how you get motivated. Saying that, the fifth step is to focus on the current goals. Now, I know I just said focus on the last goal, but how will you focus on the last goal when you have done the work which is given to you right now? When you complete your current goal, which you have to complete in order to reach that goal, like the end goal. It's hard to explain. The next step is to take the limited time approach. This is something which really helps me, and it helps a lot of other people. When you set a goal for yourself and you give yourself a time limit, you are expected to be more productive, and your brain works in that direction. Like, you give yourself 30 minutes to do your math homework. If you complete your math homework within that 30 minutes, you get a sense of satisfaction and you feel good about yourself. That's how motivation works. Step number 7 is to reward yourself. Once you have completed the math homework within 30 specific minutes or whatever you have decided for yourself, I'm just giving an example, you can reward yourself. You can reward yourself to go out and play, or you can reward yourself to watch a video, or you can reward yourself to eat a chocolate, like I am, because I love chocolates. Step and the last step is to do what you love, like not studying. Other than studying, whatever you like to do, you should do that more often. That what helps you in motivating yourself. I personally love this coloring app. Do not judge me, guys. I love Disney and I am coloring Sophia the First because that was my favorite cartoon once, or maybe it is now as well. We're getting off the topic here, but I love that cartoon and it helps me in relaxing and it helps me in focusing better. So you can try that out for yourself. And no, watching Netflix can't work, sorry, but you have to delete that Netflix app. BTW, I'm going to download it again after I take this video. Ciao. That was all for this video, guys. I really hope you all like it. I hope it helped you to get motivation to study, and also don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, turn on the notification bell. Follow me on my Instagram at Samriddhi Awasthi and Twitter at Samriddhi07. You can also DM me if you have any confusions. I reply to all of you, and I will see you guys next Saturday with a brand new video. Bye.